To check your compression engine, you need one of these testers. You can rent it out on AutoZone or buy it, and it has a different adapters to remove the coil. You just have to lift this and just pull it out. Not the first time, you're gonna have to twist it a little bit to come off. This one, it was easier because I just took it out. Then you need a 14 millimeter 12 point to remove your spark plug. The one's already loose. Those little pliers to reach the spark plug inside. Just pull it out. And you have to thread it. There's a O-ring right there. Just tight it by hand. And I'm just gonna turn it on the engine. You can remove all the plugs from the ignition coils. It has to be at least 120, 150, but this one has a high compression. It might go up to 110 psi. So I'm just gonna try to start it. Yeah, go. It does have a compression, so this engine is dead. Bad news. I'm gonna test the other one. So the last one, it was number 3, because I was having the code, it was misfiring from 1 and 3. So right now I have it on 1. So I'm gonna try to start it again. That's it. So you can see this one has a good compression. It went almost to 180. So this engine is bad. Number 3 is blown. So that's how you check your compression. Thank you for watching.